This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Terrific value for this 3-bedroom pool home with plenty of upgrades and panoramic lake view from large covered lanai and pool area. Desirable open floor plan with tile in main living areas and newer luxury vinyl flooring in bedrooms. The kitchen features 42-inch maple cabinets, granite counters and spacious breakfast bar. GE-profile stainless steel appliances with gas range. Lanai has electric storm shutters and utilities to add an outdoor kitchen. Picture frame pool cage enhances the tranquil lake view. Pool has newer gas heater, solar panels and pool pump. AC system replaced in 2023. Recently added whole home surge protector, new main electrical panel and Kinetico whole home RO water system. Located in veranda which offers 36 holes of highly rated championship golf, clubhouse with dining, fitness center, community pool, Hartrue tennis courts, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails, kayaking up the Orange River and more. Full golf membership available with this home. Your new Florida home is ready for you. For more information, review the details below.